GST Council was unanimous that the rate of taxation of GST should be 28%. Nobody asked for lowering of it even to 18% or even any other slab. All that I was asking from the state of Goa, whether it was for casino, whether it was for online gaming, or whether it was for horse racing, it should be done on the basis of GGR, that is the gross gaming revenue. That is the practice followed all over the world. I said, when we are aligning ourselves internationally to all international practices, as far as taxation in this particular industry is concerned, it should be aligned to that, that's all. There is no other dispute whatsoever.
This is very very sad. हे काँग्रेसांतनी सगळ्या लोकांचे मध्येन एक आमी सांगूंक सोदता की GST मिनिस्टर श्री मॉविन गुदिनो जेन्ना हे खजिनो ओ गॅमलिंग सिंडिकेट पळय आसा तांचेर जेन्ना टॅक्स वाडयता ही रेजीज ऑब्जेक्शन. तुमकां याद आसतली 2020 कोविडाच्या टायमार जेन्ना ऑल द GST मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ इंडिया मेट तेन्ना तांणी सांगलें जे मेडिसिनाचेर टॅक्स आसा ते काडपाचे म्हूण सो दॅट इट बेनिफिट्स द पीपल. हो एकटोच आमचो मिनिस्टर मॉविन गुदिनोन सांगुल्लें 5% लावपाक जाय म्हूण एंड देर वॉज मॅसीव ऑपोजिशन टू दॅट. सो असले वेलफेअर ओरिएंटेड ऑर पीपल ओरिएंटेड जेन्ना मेजर्स काडटा तो ओपोज करता. द रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी संजय मल्होत्रा, इंडियेचो रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी, ही इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड सेईंग by putting 28% GST on gambling, casinos and horse trading and all, to sangta there will be 20,000 crores that will be generated. So that will be for the people. It will come in the exchequer's kitty. So हे ओपोज करप म्हाका समजना बिकॉज आमकां एक दुबाव लागता. आमी पळयलां की सदांच हालींच गोंयान जितले ग्रावंड आसा ते सगळे हे कजिनोवाल्यांक दिता. सेम मिनिस्टर तांचे बरोबर तो दिसती पडटा. सो हे म्हारग पडटलें तांकां, लोक उगी रावचे ना. एंड काँग्रेस पार्टी विल expose this nexus between the minister and the casino lobby.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.